Hey, I stopped posting on YouTube for a while, and honestly, it was because I got discouraged. I kept making content, cleaning, decorating, doing makeovers, but I felt like nobody was watching. Being away actually made me realize something. I actually love creating. I love transforming spaces, sharing makeovers, and making things feel cozy and beautiful and shiny. So I'm back. Not for the numbers, just for the joy of creating. I love to create. So, ladybugs, with all that being said, let's clean something.
Today I'm doing a full reset of my master bedroom. When the space gets messy, I feel it mentally. So I love taking time to clean everything and bring it back to calm. There's just something about fresh sheets and clear surfaces that makes the whole room feel peaceful again. I try to wipe down my bedroom surfaces at least once a month. It should be once a week, but it's once a month. It's one of those small habits that makes a big difference. A clean space just helps me relax more at the end of the day. Sometimes the space around us reflects how we've been feeling inside. When life gets busy, our rooms can slowly fill with clutter, and so can our minds. Today I'm taking a little time to reset my master bedroom. Not because it has to be perfect, but because I deserve a space that feels calm, peaceful, and comforting. As I clear off these surfaces, I'm letting go of the mental clutter too. Cleaning isn't just about appearances, it's about creating an environment where you can breathe, rest, and think clearly. Small actions like this might not seem like much, but they add up. Wiping things down, making the bed. These are quiet ways of taking care of your future self. A clean, cozy space can change your mood more than you realize. It helps you slow down at night and wake up feeling a little more in control, a little more refreshed. If everything feels overwhelming, start small. One corner, one drawer, one surface. Progress doesn't have to be big to be meaningful. Ladybugs, I know that I'm rambling, but I just like to motivate people. And I hope that I'm giving someone some type of motivation. Because I know when I watch these YouTube videos from these ladies, they motivate me. And you deserve a home that feels like peace. You deserve a space that helps you recharge. And sometimes a simple reset like this is the first step toward feeling better overall. Now I know this video ended up being a little longer than usual, but I wanted to show the full reset from start to finish. And I hope that you hang around till the end for the final reveal. So grab a snack, get comfy, and let's finish this up. this gave you a little motivation to reset your own space and create a place that feels good to go home to. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Keep my hand in the fire. Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love.